Thousands of people are downloading apps that suddenly stop them with one message. Access code required. Some people pay immediately, believing that's the only way to continue. But here's the real question. Is that access code protecting a legitimate premium service? Or is it simply a clever way to pressure people into spending money? In this video, we're going to show you how to bypass these apps, the warning signs you should never ignore, and how to decide whether an app deserves your money before you pay. If you are new here, do not forget to subscribe, like, then share. First thing, get this APK in the description. So let's get started. Here is the APK we are going to run the tutorial with. Here are all the dot sections in the APK. Watch carefully how we are going to remove this and access the predictions. Open the MT Manager APK you downloaded in the description. Click here and click on the APK. Extract APK. Click Locate. Now click this. Click on it again and click on Install. Search for Validado. Click here. Look for this and click. Now watch carefully. Change this to Go To. After that, save it. Done. Now go back to the dot previous places. On this and click OK. Now click here. Watch and delete this carefully. Then save. Click here and search for Parip. Watch and delete carefully. Then save. Now go back. Click on the APK. So this is what we just removed. Let's install the one we bypassed. Now click on it. Done. So wait for it to install, then open. So here is the moded version, all section opened. All opened. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, like, then share.